Cycling in busy cities can be very dangerous. According to the World Health Organization, 54% of traffic-related deaths are among pedestrians, motorcyclists and cyclists. Only a few cities, such as Utrecht and Copenhagen, have managed to establish an adequate cycling infrastructure. To ensure this, Utrecht invests €132 a year per person into biking infrastructure. Most European cities invest less than €5, and the missing infrastructure discourages people from using their bicycles. I have a bicycle, but look, I can't get through the traffic. That's why I can't ride a bike. In the Turkish municipality of Tepebaşı, only 2% of residents use bicycles today, but a look into the past shows that cycling used to be a common means of transport. This development was stopped by the urbanization, accompanied by a ruling model of motorized mobility. In the midst of car-dominated traffic, a European project is planning to revitalize the biking culture once again. An infrastructure of 50 e-bikes that are available to rent from 3 bike stations has already been established, as well as 6 kilometers of cycling lanes. Suat Yalnizoglu is responsible for these measures. As you know, everything is getting a sharing system. Like cars in other European systems, we use bicycles. The cost is low. You can have your bicycle with a card subscription by paying less than €1. The right of use is completely yours, and it's a practical system. With a subscription card and a personalized password, anyone can rent a bike at one of the stations. This form of transport could also be a solution for cities where parking is scarce and other public transport is already at its brim. To ensure behavioral change, though, the support and commitment of the municipality is key.
After the bicycle paths were built, I started to use a bicycle again because I thought that I could ride in a safe way. I use it to have a safe ride because it is safer. Once I heard of electric bicycles, I wanted to test whether it can be used for commuting.
With an investment of more than €250,000, Tepebaşı has become a pioneer and role model for biking infrastructure in Turkey.